Finally, sir, what is your advice to young technology enthusiasts and students if they want to build a career in this domain? What should they do according to you? What capabilities they should build? What competencies and what temperament they should have?
I would like to make a little controversial kind of input here. A very big college in Pune, a good brand, they decided to close down their instrumentation department because there were no admissions. And then what they did, they started two other departments. One was called AI department and other was called IIoT department.
Okay.
In addition to CS and computers. So because people are like magnets going to computers. Yes, there is good money, there are job opportunities. I get it. I get it. But if you don't have core engineering graduates, instrumentation, chemical, mechanical, production, this sector would be starved of talent. Apart from coding, we need people who understand the manufacturing, right? And this cannot be taught, right? 4 years of experience as a textile engineer and you are a textile person, you can leverage IIoT to deliver solutions for textile. But if you're just computers, you won't know textile, you won't know mechanical, you won't know chemical. So I think my advice, and I know nobody's going to take it, people are still going to go to computers and IT and data and AI. Those branches are seeing overpopulation and instrumentation is required to be closed down. That's sad thing. And that's what's happening. So I would request all the youngsters or people who go to that, go to computers for sure, but pick up a channel or pick up a discipline in which you want to be more than computers. Take manufacturing, take chemical, anything, but learn apart from your computers because computers will teach you only computers. Whereas if you go to mechanical, they will teach you computers. I mean, there's no go about that now. So go to branches which are core engineering branches because that's where we want to build our, I would say, strength and capabilities. Otherwise, we are going to be extremely, I would say, IT coolies. Yes. Bad term, but that's what we are becoming. Good money, good prospects, good careers, but that's not going to be long term.
Sir, I have
with,
seen.
With the chat GPT and everything coming, the jobs in the IT are going to be shrinking. Correct, that's a red flag for all the young guys.
I have seen companies in this industry 4 business who are primarily IT companies and they have only IT people in their team. So I kind of get scared when I don't see a single person who has had practical experience in industry in their team.
Absolutely, you said it. Yeah. But they build beautiful dashboards.
Yes.
Phenomenal dashboards.
Good flowcharts.
Good flowcharts.
Good flowcharts.
But
good dashboards, which are very generic.
Yeah, but what is behind that? Nothing. Nothing. Sorry. But anyway.
Nothing specific related to any technology as
exactly. Such. Exactly. So coming back to your question on the industries and people and talent and where government should intervene, I would put all that in one kind of a single basket, shake it up.
Yes.
Literally shake it up and then make things happen. Because industries have to demand, and the moment industries demand, companies will produce things, and then companies will recruit relevant people. So it's a chain. I won't blame only students. They will go to where they will get jobs. I'm sure. But if industries want mechanical engineers, at a point there was problem of not getting enough good civil engineers because we had so many infrastructure projects coming up. And so the cyclical thing will happen. So I would shake that up together. But I would again request everybody, industries, government, people, institutions, to work together, look at long-term goals that we should have in this business of products. We have done phenomenal in services, but now is the time to do products in India. And that's what we should be concentrating on. Medical IoT or medical digital, it's going to be a very big thing. Imaging is going to be a big thing. Can we come out with products in that, or are we still going to import that thing? Yeah. And what GE does here in India, we could do anywhere else. So I think that's what's going to happen. And I will request everybody who's watching this to really send a suggestion as to how they can help us kind of retrain our people who come from IT background to make manufacturing as a because that's a domain they work in. And also we would like to request the industry to kind of a demand from us that unless you get somebody from manufacturing, we are not going to talk to you. And your question about how do you assess a company? Yes. This is what they're going to assess company. Yes. And so all these things together, and industries can be, because they are customers and customer is always right. So they have to put pressure on us. They have to demand, and we'll deliver, no question about that. And this will also make sure that the flyby operators, the people who are not serious about this will get rolled out immediately, and you will have something which is solid long term, because once you invest in the industrial 4.0 product, this is going to be for life. You can't change it in between like a mobile phone. And that's where consumer technology and industry technology is very different. So I would request that from industries, from governments, from students, from institutions, everything. So don't close down your core departments like instrumentation. Be at it, demand, and I think people will come to you.